Alex here with Alex Perez Roofing, and when it comes to roofing, we're able to make it really easy for you to get your roofing projects taken care of. We offer financing where you have 18-month, 0% interest, no monthly payments needed, as long as you pay it within the 18-month promotion period. Or we can do long-term periods, which is a 10-year, 15-year, and even up to 20-year terms to ensure that you're not putting off your roofing needs any longer. From going from a small repair or easy replacement to something that's more complicated that's only going to cost more. Doing cheap repairs is never a long-term fix. If you do just a Band-Aid, it's only going to be a short-term fix. It's going to leak within the first winter and allowing more damage and allowing that area to get more of a bigger issue, creating more damage inside your home. When it comes to financing, it allows us to take care of that leak now, and put it off even longer, it's only going to cost more. At Alex Perez Roofing, we make financing really easy so we can ensure that those repairs get done now, whether it's a roof repair or roof replacement. We want to make sure we're not cutting any corners, and if the gutter needs to be done at the same time the roof needs to be done, financing allows us to do that to ensure the whole project is done right the first time. If it's a repair, we want to ensure that we address any issues that could arise throughout the roof, not just that initial leak area. Project financing can be done for anything as small as a roof repair or a whole roof replacement, gutters, insulation, solar tubes, skylights, anything you want around the house when it comes to roofing, whether it's to repair it or to enhance your home. Financing makes it really easy to ensure we meet your needs. To apply for financing, it takes literally less than 15 minutes. We recently had a customer where a couple of projects needed to be done on the house as far as roof repairs, and I told them, let's go ahead and get it financed, because what he was wanting to do was he wanted to take off some of those projects, but I told him, hey, these other leak areas are only going to get worse. Why don't we finance it and allow us to get all these repairs done to ensure that his home is watertight this winter. You can still get quality work without having to pay everything up front. For your roofing needs or roof replacement, give us a call at 916-910-5542 or alexperezroofing.com to make sure your home is as watertight as it gets.